Hey everybody, welcome back. So today AK's with me and we're going to be doing some more wax melts. I got 2 new molds last night. I got unicorns and some flowers. But AK wanted to try and take the flamingos out because in my last couple videos I cannot get the flamingos. They break every time. I guess where they're so thin at the feet, I'll break them.
Excuses.
So, and then I have more chocolate candies with my candied apple scent. So, without further ado, please like this video, subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so you'll be notified of the videos when I upload them. And let's jump into this video. I am going to tilt you down so you can see what we're doing.
Lord.
You can tilt a little bit that way.
What?
You said you wanted to do it.
Which ones are we doing first? These?
It don't matter. Those are easy to pop out.
Okay. No one's even here.
You can just turn them upside down and pop them out.
Sounds like another dog.
I'm trying to put these in. No, the flowers are so cute.
Papa Flamingo. I'll say it already broke.
I break them every time.
I got a flamingo.
You suck.
Oh, it's so cute! He cut off part of the toe.
You got more of it than I do.
Oh, its butthole broke. Well, we got one.
The flowers are adorable.
I don't think I'm gonna get any more. I got it though. It's the toe. Oh, there's one more. Look, it's already broke. Well, I got one. I think it's popped easy.
Now those will break easy too if you're not careful.
You ain't gonna do nothing.
Again.
gonna do those?
Well, you want me to finish those?
Oh, pineapple broke. There's. Oh, I want to pop a cactus. Have you gotten any cactuses?
I've only grown like one or two of those.
Unicorns. You ready?
Bark it. That is cute.
It's not focusing. It's a unicorn.
Breaking these things.
Lord. These are easy. You just push it and then it comes out.
Well, I broke all those. I've been doing these for like 3 or 4 days.
One of the unicorn broke.
Okay.
But I'm not in the shop. So here's see, it's in the unicorns. I showed him the unicorns. Are you not gonna keep this one?
That's the only one that's come out. Alright, guys.
Hold on.
Nasty. Alright, guys. So that's our video for today. And that's my new molds that I got last night. They're so cute. So I will post pictures at the end of the video of these melts. Except for the ones that I broke. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share. And we'll see you next time. Well, we also have decals that I'm going to sell. If you would like one, just comment below. And I will leave all my links to my social medias in the description, as well as at the end of my video. So, we'll see you next time, and have a great day.